Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be looking at how to secure a PDF using Python. This video is pretty straightforward, and without any further ado, let's get started. We're going to start off by installing the PyPDF2 module. So in your terminal, go ahead and type pip install PyPDF2 and hit enter, and you should have it in no time. Once that's installed, we're going to say from PyPDF2 import PDF reader and also PDF writer. Next, we're going to create a variable and we're going to call it file name, and I'll set it to input, enter the name of the PDF to protect, and I'll set it to .strip. This .strip will remove any spaces that the user might enter, and also going to give them an example myfile.pdf. Now we're going to say try, and in here we're going to have a variable reader, and we're going to set it to PDF reader. In these parentheses, we're going to call the file name variable we created earlier. Then we'll create another variable and we're going to call it writer, and we're going to set it to PDF writer. Next, we're going to say from page in reader, write.add underscore page adds that page to the new PDF you're creating. Then we're going to say writer.encrypt. In these parentheses, we're going to have the password you want to lock the PDF with. For now, I'll just put this placeholder in. Next, we're going to say with open protected file name as WB as F, writer.writeF. Open protected file name WB creates or overwrites a new file. The name of the new file will be protected plus the file name. For example, if the original file was myfile.pdf, the new one will be protected underscore myfile.pdf. The W in WB means write mode and B means binary mode. PDFs are binary files, not just plain text. As F, this says a reference to the open file so we can write to it. Write.writeF, this takes all the pages which you've added earlier and writes them to the new file F, applying the password protection in the process. Then we're going to print a message saying PDF successfully protected and saved as protected plus file name, which will be the name of the PDF they've entered in the beginning. Next, we're going to say except file name not found error, print file and the file name not found. Please check the name and try again. And that's it. Now make sure that you move the PDF to the same folder where your Python file is. Mine is in the same folder as my Python file, and my PDF is called report.pdf. Now when you run the program, it's going to prompt us to enter the name of the PDF we want to protect. I'm going to enter report.pdf and hit enter, and if everything goes well, you should see a message that says PDF successfully protected and saved as protected underscore report.pdf. And when I open the document, it's going to ask me for the password. And that's it for this one. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, I'm always looking to improve. If you have any constructive criticism or any questions, or you just want to say hi, then leave it in the comment section below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.